One of the first things that I want to make sure everybody is really clear on is that if you want to run reports on your products and services, then you actually have to use the products and services. When you look at an expense, you have a category details at the top, and then you have the item details at the bottom. The items will only show on that list. Remember when we made the product and service and it had the top part and the second part and I called it a two-sided? You have to say, yes, I sell this product and what the price is and what the expense category is. And then once that's turned on, this is what it looks like here in the expenses. However, as of literally yesterday, products and services are now also available inside the banking feed. That allows you to completely shortcut a lot of what you used to have to do. That you can now look at an expense that's in the banking feed and say, who is the vendor and either which cost of goods account does it go into, for example, for supplies and materials. That's what you had to do last week. But as of this week, you can instead, notice the or right here, you can also specify the product or service that you are purchasing. So in this case, you are buying cabinets and vanities from Big Value Warehouse Store, and that's going to go straight to the cost of goods account without you having to say just cost of goods. Then notice that there is a customer right here that does the job costing and the option to make it billable to suck it on to their next invoice. Now remember, that's optional. If you already have a line item, you don't need to make it billable unless you really want to track that all the way through and you are billing for time and materials. The banking feed, if you have location and class turned on, will also have location and class fields there. If you have tags turned on, you will also have the ability to do tags inside the banking feed as well. So I am delighted with this new experience because now if I am doing products and services, up until now, I had to go over and create the expense so that I could have the item details and then match it to the banking feed. And now with the new banking feed, you can do it all from inside the feed. Yay. Super yay.